I'm at a waterfall in Iceland. Don't ask me the name, it's Icelandic, I will never remember. You see the rainbow? It's a rainbow, yeah. Alright. I think there usually is a rainbow with a waterfall, because the water is always there. Okay, and let's go back to the way back one. And then look along the other ones. And then there's the big one. Yes. Pretty cool. And then there's a deck to see the lower level deck right there. And I want to just look at this island over here. That's cool. And this is about 5 miles away from the geyser that I just saw. So much natural beauty here.